Thank you for your interest in purchasing an eSession with the Tummy team. It is important to make sure you have the correct network and computer requirements to run the online software for these virtual appointments. Before we begin, I want to note that it is strongly recommended that you use a computer for your meeting. However, if this is not possible, you can download the AnyMeeting app in the Apple or Android store on your phone or tablet. If you plan to use a phone or a tablet as your device for the meeting, please be sure you have dependable data coverage or you're using fast Wi-Fi. You will need a minimum of 5 megabits per second download speed and minimum of 1 megabit per second upload speed. If you do not know your Wi-Fi speeds, you can go to your app store and download the Speed Test app and run a test. If you plan to use a computer for your eSession, the first thing to note is the operating system. AnyMeeting states that if you're on a PC, you need Windows 7 or higher. If using a Mac, you must be operating on OS X 10.8 or higher, or the Linux operating system. The next thing to note is your browser. To run this software, you must be using the latest version of Google Chrome. If you're using Safari, Firefox, Edge, Opera, or any other browser, please download Google Chrome now by going to google.com/Chrome and follow the prompts for downloading and installing this browser. Lastly, you'll need a webcam and microphone. Most laptops come ready with a webcam and integrated microphone. If you're on a desktop, you'll need to purchase a webcam if you do not have one. Now that you've confirmed you have the right operating system, the latest version of Google Chrome, and a webcam with microphone, we can continue. If you're not already using it, please open Chrome and go to thetummyteam.com. Go to our store and then click on eSessions. Select the product. Here you will see this note about testing your requirements. Click this link, which will open a new page to test your browser requirements. You can see here it's already telling me everything's okay. If you're still missing a requirement, the words will be yellow and read, "We found an issue." You can follow the prompts given to correct the issue. Now this is telling me my browser settings are good to go. But it's important to note if you have slow internet speed or you're on Wi-Fi, your connection may not be strong enough for video conferencing. While AnyMeeting states these speeds as a minimum, I would instead recommend a minimum of 5 megabits per second download speed and an upload speed of 1 megabit per second. It is strongly recommended to be hardwired in instead of using Wi-Fi to limit any connection problems. To test your internet speeds, click this link. From here, simply click Go and let it run the test. Now my internet speed is quite a bit faster than average. Yours will likely read somewhere around 25 to 50. But the key is that your download speed should be at or better than 5 megabits per second, and your upload faster than 1 megabit per second. Now that you've confirmed your internet speed is fast enough for video conferencing, there's just one more test. Back on the system test page, go ahead and click on this link to test your microphone and webcam. Simply follow the prompts to make sure your mic and camera are ready for use. And lastly, click this link to make sure your speakers are working and you'll be able to hear the physical therapist during your virtual appointment. Now that you've confirmed you have the right operating system, browser, internet speeds, and a mic and webcam, you're all set. Check out our other video tutorial if you want help connecting to your eSession for your scheduled appointment.